Hello, welcome to Victor Shamaki, and in this video I'll show you how to export video from DaVinci Resolve. Now DaVinci Resolve have a very unique way of exporting, so it makes quicker. So I'm going to show you the one of the way, or maybe just the two. So from your edit tab here, you're going to see a quick export, but if you don't want to use that, that's fine, because DaVinci Resolve have a dedicated place to which you can export your video. So just come to this last place that looks like an aeroplane is taking up. So that's the tab for exporting. Okay, so you're on that tab, you see that everything there, it's called Deliver in DaVinci. All right, so that's the name of that tab, is the Deliver tab. When you're done, you want to export, it's called Deliver. All right, so from there you will see this render setting custom. So you see we have customized or custom settings, and you can set this to any of this, whether you want to export it as a ProRes and all of that. So now the name of the file, so I'm just going to say the view tab. That's the name of the file, the view tab, and I'm leaving it as improved because there is the view tab in the very folder I want this saved. All right, so this, you will locate the folder to which you want your work saved. So I'm going to go to browse, and in this case this is where I want it saved, so I have it on that place. But if it's not here I want to save it, I'll have to navigate to that portion and select it. So now under the render, I want to render everything. All right, now if you want to select individual clips, do you want to do it with video or audio or not? So all of these settings, see that they are all set up for it, so you don't need to do much, but you know that you need to put your video and your audio, so you just leave it at normal thing. If I put it here, you'll see that it will just export clips, maybe just one of the clips on there, but I wanted everything to be compiled into one and all of that. So I will leave everything the way it is. I'm not going to change anything in advance and all of that. All right, but for now I'm going to leave everything. Then I'm going to click on add to render queue. So it's going to come to this render queue, and I'm just going to click render all. Now once that is done, you will see that it's going to process the work, and it will start exporting from the very beginning to the end. So you see this number is reading, it means it is exporting. It is exporting. So by the time it takes it to this place, it will be done. So if you check here, you're going to see the time remaining, it's 2% and all of that. So this is how you can quickly export video on DaVinci Resolve. So I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.